Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today we are studying market trends and study, and our topic is nylon fiber. Nylon, as we all know, nylon is a man-made fiber, and nylon is a generic designation for a family of synthetic polymers known as polyamides. In nylon, the repeating unit contains chain of carbon atoms. There are various types of nylon depending on the nature of those chains. It is made of repeating units linked by amide bonds and is frequently referred to as polyamide. It is developed in 1930s as an alternative to silk by Wallace Carothers at the DuPont Chemical Company. First produced on February 28, 1935, and there are several forms of nylon fiber depending on the chemical synthesis, such as nylon 4, nylon 6, nylon 6.66, nylon 6.10, nylon 6.12, nylon 8, nylon 10, and nylon 11. The nylons are generally tough, strong, durable fiber useful in wide range of textile applications. Nylon is found in clothes at the time, but also in other places in the form of thermoplastic material. Types of nylon and its manufacturing process. In nylon, the repeating unit contains chain of carbon atoms. There are various different types of nylon depending on the nature of those chains. For example, nylon 6, and nylon 6. First, we will talk about nylon 6. Nylon 6, also known as polycaprolactam. It is a semi-crystalline polyamide. Unlike most other nylons, nylon 6 is not formed by condensation polymers, but instead is formed by ring opening polymerization. Synthesized by polycondensation of nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is synthesized by polycondensation of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. The manufacturing process of nylon 6,6, that the nylon 6 is a type of polyamide or nylon. Nylons come in many types, and the two most common for textile and plastics industries are nylon 6 and nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is made up of two monomers, each containing 6 carbon atoms, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, which gave nylon 6,6 its name. Here is a manufacturing process of nylon 6. Nylon. First of all, we will talk about reactor evaporator, reaction, vessels, spinning and process. Next is hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid are combined with water in a reactor. This produces nylon salt. The nylon salt is then sent to evaporator where excess water is removed. The nylon salt goes into reaction vessels where a continuous polymerization process takes place, and this chemical process makes molten nylon 6,6. The molten nylon 6,6 undergoes a spinning process where the nylon 6 is extruded and spun and sent through a spinneret, which is small metal plates with fine holes, number of fine holes. The nylon is then air cooled to form filaments. The general properties of nylon. Functional groups. The functional group of nylon is amide. It is light in weight and it is it has incredible textile tensile strength, and it is very durable, resistance to damage, and take a dye easily and absorb most water, and greater stretchability and dries slower, and smoother and softer fabric than polyester, and somewhat UV resistant. Properties of nylon 6. Nylon 6 fibers are tough possessing high tensile strength as well as elasticity and leisure, and they are wrinkle proof and highly resistant to abrasion and chemicals such as acids and alkalis. And the fibers can absorb up to 2.4% of water, although this lowers tensile strength. And the glass transition temperature of nylon 6 is 47 degrees centigrade. As a synthetic fiber, nylon 6 is generally white but can be dyed into two in a solution bath prior to production for different colored results. And its tenacity is between 6 and 8.5 gram per denier with a density of 1.14 gram per cc. Its melting point is 215 degrees centigrade and can predict heat up to 150 degrees centigrade on an average. Properties of nylon 66. The chemical formula of nylon 66 is C12H22N2O2, and density of nylon 66 is 1.14 gram per ml. Melting point of nylon 66 is 107 degree Fahrenheit, that is 264 degrees centigrade. High mechanical strength, rigidity, good stability under heat and chemical resistance. Application of nylon 66. Nylon 66 is used in the fiber for textiles and carpet and molded parts. It is also used in airbags, apparels, and for carpet fibers. It is used to make 3D structures objects by injecting molding, which is used in auto applications such as radiator and tanks, rocker covers and air intake manifolds, and air pans and numerous other structural parts such as ball bearing cages and electro-insulating elements. Nylon 66 is also a popular guitar nut material. Nylon 66, especially glass fibers grades, can be effectively fire retardant with halogen-free products. Uses of nylons. Synthetic replacement for silk is replaced. It replaced silk in military applications such as parachute and flex vest, and was used in many types of vehicle tires. Used in many applications including fabrics, bridal veils and carpets, musical strings and robes, etc. Here are the uses of nylon. This is a carpet. Both are the carpets, and parachute, tires, and airbags of car or buses and traffics, and toothbrush. Everywhere nylon use. Nylon is most of the used material. And here is the hoses and conveyor belt, ropes, and zip tires. Everything was made using nylon. Thank you guys. If you have any query, any problem, you can ask